don't count if you was running. In this 392 hit me, hit the gas, you hear me coming. I'm just gliding through the heights, just did 160 down summer. Never tried to play no sports in the field, got my side jumping. Put my trust in the Glock, not a bitch, no I can't go for nothing.
Alright y'all, we back. Mission same vehicle. Yeah, that's right. I'm judging by the title of this video. Y'all already know. The fin blew up. I should have been. Oh, it's locked. Huh? I should have been filming yesterday, but I'll be forgetting I'm a YouTuber and I'll be slacking. Are you on the highway here yet? I don't know if I can see the trailer or not. So look. Which way, Isaiah? Fuck, yeah. Go left, go left, go left. Yeah, I got you. We almost there, y'all. We going out. Bro, this shit's motherfucking hella car guys in this bitch. My bad for getting your plate, bro, but yeah. I got the key.
Whichever way we go, I'm gonna see if it'll start and I'm gonna try to pull it over.
It's in. Hella car guys in this shit, bro. Tulsa coming up. Nah, man. How's it looking under there, buddy?
Looking oily?
Very oily.
I got a video I took out last night. I'll probably throw that in a minute. But look. Hold on, y'all. What?
I think I found it.
Hold on.
I found it.
Where you at?
Hold on, let me get my in now. Let me see your phone.
Oh, okay, I got you.
I'm picking up the hood real quick.
Alright.
Isaiah, how's it feel you windowed your first block?
What?
I said, how's it feel you windowed your first block?
I don't even, shit. I'm not too upset. I got another one though. I'm not too upset. If I didn't have another, I'd be fucking pissed. But boy, I'm straight. I'm straight. And it's kind of fun.
What?
Just smoked out the whole highway. I ain't gonna lie.
I pushed that shit to 258 on the dash. Yeah, it's like 258, 8 something. Oh, this dude yelling. R.I.P. the fan. R.I.P. Alright, what y'all need me to do? I don't just want to be standing around all that.
Do what?
So what y'all need me to do? I don't want to stand around too much.
I'm just trying to adjust it.
Alright. Get on there. Hey. Yeah.
Damn. Fucking long ass legs.
Thumbnail.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Let that Mustang go and pull up, you need.
Shit. Alright. I need to do anything?
Not yet.
You're really good?
Just watch one of those rams.
Oh my shit! Let me fix that. Hold on, I got you.
Just I just pushed the thing.
Oh yeah, you good. This is some shit, I tell you. This is some shit. We are out here. Yes, sir.
I told you. As long as it wasn't locked up,
Hey,
I'm pulling on
I'm
the trailer.
pulling forward.
Woo.
Move out of your way.
Yes, sir.
Tell these people sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Holy shit. Diced it, but hey, we did it though. I ain't gonna lie. You have a good one, man. Sorry about that. I'm so mad. We tried to can't fuck. My bad, my shit blew up. Damn, angry. I was angry at somebody. At least it's easy to. At least it was easier to get out.
I'm pretty sure I can get it to go up the driveway too. It's not gonna like it, but I think I can get it to go.
I gotta work. No, I'm playing.
It's not happy, but I think I can get it to go up the driveway. Gotta leave the front, pull the back. We have one or two on the front.
Bitch, go. All my niggas, they spinning. All my niggas in the field with a glow with a switch, nigga 392, can't tend it. Buck me down if you claim me with it. The bitch, you in my first night, I hit it. The shit you doing right now, and did it. Can't stop playing. Burn drinks ain't fast as Mitch. My brother wanna slide, and I tell us get it. You know we post blind, we ain't doing no sitting. Badass kid, I grew up, take a risk. Ever since I lost school, man, ain't had no feelings. Can't wait till they crown me a king like him. And I'm best school gang on stay with my milk.
Keep it straight, keep it straight, keep it straight. Got it.
Where's the other one at? There it is.
Yep. What's that? But here's the plan. What I'm thinking right now. So that's blown. I'm gonna start that for y'all real quick. Like I'm talking like this junk is done. Like I'm talking toast. Hold on, look. Smoked. That's poison ivy. I don't want that shit. Yeah.
Not the new one.
No.
It's still free.
Oh yeah. I was just showing the video real quick. Yeah. No, I'll catch on. Alright, edit in 3, 2, 1.
Tired of playing with you little boys, it's time to get shit out my way. Boy, the jet, don't forget mask, I got my ski on a PJ. Drop a bag like starting a race, they on your way about that little bread. Everything I send me fully, check out speed, don't check your head. I go stay here on the tube, I call them on the money. Get up close when we get active, we make niggas see shit coming. He got shot, but he ain't down, let's call the shit back on his stomach. You can tell me about your work, go show me some, go tell me funny. Now I'm slow to see me pass, and I go drop some on that click. Put the moves on all the slime. Don't get back though for your shit. Ain't no more yelling freeborn. It's time to get back to the bricks. This and me don't make you platinum. You get hit with the ghost switch. Go with my move like every time. I don't sit and let shit flood. No more shooters on front line.
Damn, that blew me off my feet. Yeah, it was gas. I'm telling y'all need to subscribe. Y'all check. What that say? Who? You can feel me. The vehicle, vehicle blown on. We down the vehicle. We still positive. You know what I'm saying? God's good. Always gonna be good. You feel me? And look, also, hold on. Just a little bit. But no, we sorry though. I ain't afraid to get no exercise. We got pedal. We go bike. We go chopper. We go hoverboard. We go skateboards. We go cruiser. We do that shit. You feel me? But either way, yeah, we still got the whole exhaust in here too. Got some parts to it. Wait, is this the front radiator support? I don't know what the hell that is. And that's like that's another top piece.
It's only gonna be for a second.
Crank it. We got powder, my boys. We got powder. I'm on my hands to ashy dirty. You feel me? You feel me? Like this is like accomplishment, low key. Like even just saying here looking at this, cause like I picked it up 7. Car blew up. We already got power. That's already a sign. We already got power. We got power. I ain't gonna lie, my phone died. Look, y'all, it's another day. It ain't happened. The fence is done. They toast. They going. They're going, y'all. I'm posting on Marketplace. They getting gone. Trailer away, they out. The fence is gone. But we got some new shit though. We got some new shit. I'm finna reveal it in a minute. Next video. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I appreciate all the, you know what I'm saying, the supporting fan, all the races that everybody gave me, the slides we got in there, all that. But some shit gotta go. We gotta move on to bigger and better things. I'm gonna catch y'all though.